Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a large kitchen table with a built-in leaf that we're going to turn into a farm-style white scuffed-up table. So follow along as we go through the process. Also, subscribe, like us on Facebook and Instagram while we get this table set up. Alright, first step, we removed all of the little clips that holds everything together so we have a nice smooth surface to work with when we're painting. Which leads us to our next step of sanding so we can have a good grip for the paint to stick to. We're going to use 120 grit. It's a nice soft sand. There's no damage to this table, so it makes this project go by a lot faster. With the legs, we're going to sand the flat areas, and then we'll take that sandpaper off the machine and hand sand them, just give them a nice little scuff. We'll clean the piece up, and then, well, we can start applying some paint to this piece. Alright, the piece has been sanded, wiped down, vacuumed off, cleaned up. I've even put tape on where I want my line to end for our white paint. So everything is marked up. We've got our white paint. Let's begin painting. Alright, we have the table painted. Now what we're going to do is scuff it up. So we've got our sander, our mask, and 120 grit paper is what we're going to use on this. We're going to sand the top down. The legs are just temporarily put in. We'll pull each leg off, sand them down, and then reattach them. And then eventually we'll get to the point where we'll clean this up, and then we can wax it, and this table will be done. So let's begin sanding. Alright, it's sanded down. Now what we're going to do is just put a nice clear coat over it and then wax it. Alright, we have our mini wax, we have our rag, I wear a glove. It's nice and warm out, so the paste is nice and soft, so we'll just start doing the piece. We make sure that we get any excess off because we don't want any excess on there. And then we do this 4 times plus the table, and we'll have this table done. guys, here it is done. White table with the leaf insert inside. Big long table, scuffed up. Now we're going to do another video of doing the chairs, and we'll put that link up somewhere around here. But this table's done. Now we can start working on this chair. So check out the chair video, and then we'll put the chairs with the table for that final video. So if you like this and many of our other videos, subscribe, like us on Facebook or Instagram.